Yeah.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Wave at you. Kirby, look at me. I'll wave at you. Zoom in at me. Zoom in at me. Zoom in. Zoom in at me.
No.
Yes. You must have
Hey, do you know how to do this? You see me?
You're doing it with your iron hand. He's dancing too.
Slash E space die is an actual move. Just can't use it.
press X.
What is this? It says you can't use it when it's here. So that means it's an actual move. She's not moving. She's hacking the computers. She's wasting time. Tell her to hurry up. Beast didn't even do nothing.
This is the. Or that was one round of. Oh, there might not even get around.
Umberto, tell them how my account got hacked. My other account.
His account got hacked by my brother.
Which account?
DeathBoy412.
And if you see that account, don't friend him at all. David, if you're watching this, unfriend him because he is. I'm gonna shove my foot up his ass.
David plays
Yup,
Roblox.
shove foot
Yeah.
up his ass. Yup.
What's his name? He got Roblox?
Huh?
He got Roblox?
Yeah.
You lying.
Nope.
I'm not going on that laggy ass map.
Why? Wait a minute. What percent chance do you have to be beast?
Sorry. See, I want pink and purple. Look, let me show you.
Wait a minute. Do I still have that
I
stupid?
got sunset and hot Miami. Look, it's action.
Umberto's beast.
Thank you, Jesus.
You're beast?
No. Are you?
No, I don't. I'm lagging. I can't do anything. Oh, there we go. Oh, I found a computer.
I'll stay there, Troy. I'm gonna be right.
No, I'm gonna see if there's another computer. Decky's here.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Who's Decky? Decky?
His name is Decky. That's it. I'm just going on the roof.
Joe.
And then I'm gonna
Keep
do
going
the
on
one
the
on the
roof.
bottom last.
No, we can just do this, right?
Who's Decky?
Right there, behind you.
Hack!
Yeah.
What are you trying? Are you trying to hack the same thing I am? Hack.
what's outside.
What the heck?
You're hiding out the plane.
What the heck are you doing?
You had your Iron Man thing.
I couldn't. It wouldn't work. Heck. All right, bye bye. I'm going back inside the house. The bees just passed me. Quick. Hell no.
Honey, shut up. Tony's hacking the computer.
Humberto, hack. He's dead.
Whatever you do not
You
save
gotta
the
save Decky.
Dicky.
You idiot. He's coming this way. He's coming this way. He's coming this way. He's coming this way. I don't know. You can kiss
Shut
me.
up! You can kiss my ass.
Is he there? See? He found you. You idiot! You locked me in! Ah! Ah! You locked me in! Ah!
He found you?
You found you?
Yeah.
I'm safe though.
I see you in the closet.
Ducky's almost
don't.
dead. Ducky's almost dead.
We gotta save poor Decky, but I don't know where the heck he's at.
I saved him already. He's in the same spot where he died. Oh crap, oh crap. She passed me! I'm a god.
Gotta scream. She's upstairs somewhere.
Help me. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at your screen, Humberto.
Oh shit.
You. You can kiss my ass. She got you. Swim away.
He's a jellyfish. 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 Jellyfish.
Humberto, flop away.
I'm gonna run and jump.
All right, bye-bye. I'm going. All right, where are you? Did you hear me? Oh. Ah!
She's after me. Run, bitch, run.
She got you.
Yep.
Decky ain't doing nothing. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me check. Let me go
That's
check.
bullshit. Are you gonna save me? I'm in the tube.
You're not in the tube.
Because I just got out because Decky saved me.
Decky's not even over there.
Run, bitch, run.
I'm leaving.
Get the hell out of here. Get out of
Found
there.
a computer.
Found it.
She's lagging.
Are you guys even gonna win? I'd rather find it.
I feel like each game I play has a total amount
Let me do
of like
this part.
11 minutes. Of 11 minutes. Each game I play has 11 minutes worth of my video.
Oh shit.
You idiot. I'm at a cabin. Or a shed, not a cabin. Shed.
He's
Oh,
at a
shit.
campfire. He's at the campfire. At the Gans fire. At the booty fire.
You better be hacking.
Me?
Yeah.
Not. Why? So the beast could get me in my booty hole?
Hack.
Oh, Decky was captured.
Don't save him. He's not even. He's AFK. He's AFK. So don't save him.
You guys don't
All right, that's me. That's me.
You're dead.
How do you know?
Ducky's gonna die.
It's not Ducky. It's Decky.
Oh, Decky.
almost
Decky
done?
S 55555555555.
Gotta put me on near the campfire.
Where are you?
Near the campfire.
Oh no! Oh no! 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 Flop away!
You know, hurry up.
Flop away!
Yeah, because she's stupid.
Flop away! Flop away! Flop away!
You're
I'm
dead.
dead. I'm dead.
Humberto's hacking the last one and he's almost done with it.
Help me, Humberto.
I will.
This girl is laggy. She don't even know where to go.
That's why you're gonna escape when you
I'm trying. I'm wiggling.
Go, Shorty, go.
She doesn't even know. She doesn't even know.
So she's after
She
me.
doesn't even know.
We're done.
Run. Oh, she's right next to me. Humberto, we gotta go to the other side. She's over there where you were. You got that.
Bitch, I'm gone.
Really?
Yeah, bitch, I'm out of there. I'm out of her. You better hurry up.
I can't.
I'm near the farm.
I can. Oh, hey.
Let's play with the beast. Yeah, we got. Oh, no.
Oh, run! 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 Humberto! Wiggle! 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 Wiggle!
I'm
Wiggle!
out of here.
Oh, no! You're dead! You're dead!
I can't be.
You're dead!
I can't be. No.
You're dead! You idiot! You're idiot!
You left me.
Why? Why did you just sat there? She came out in the dark.
Oh, look, my friend Dookie here. See?
Dookie.
There's Dookie and there's Decky.
Dookie, Decky.
Go here and see if he is your friend.
Dookie. Friends. It's this kid named Aiden at school.
That's a horrible name, but you're sticky.
Stupid girl. You say, ah! Oh, what the freak? I can use WASD too. I didn't know that.
Everybody knows that.
I'll plan that beast.
Remember you said you can only play one round and then you're leaving?
See?
Alright, Charlie, you can use my charger. It's all the way down.
What percent is it on?
8.
What? That's only 3, and then.
You better hurry up and make the most of it. I'm never gonna use face cam.
Dookie's the beast. Poor Dookie. I found
Poor
a computer.
Bookie. I'm gonna call him Bookie.
Why do you have why did you have caps lock on?
I'm gonna call him Boogie.
His name is
Booty.
His name is Ducky.
No, Booty. I can call him
I already
that
got a
name.
computer started.
It's got Booty. There's a 2.
Humberto, what do you have to say to YouTube today?
No.
What's your comment?
YouTube, thank you for subscribing to me, YouTube. Thank you.
He put his arm in your face.
Alright.
He always does that.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Burrito.
Why didn't it work?
YouTube? Make it your dummy.
Oh, I thought that was my computer.
Really?
Cause look.
Oh hell no!
That was my. It's my computer now.
Dookie! Dookie is
I think
here.
Dookie's after.
Booty.
Huh?
Dookie's after me now.
Why you? Should we troll with him?
Should we who?
Troll Dookie?
That's Aiden.
Yeah, Dookie. His name's Dookie.
His name is 80 Booty Day.
Where is he?
Elbow.
Is he close to you?
No. Wait, you failed your computer?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. How do
If this song gets stuck inside your head, just sing this song instead. Ba 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 ba.
Hey.
Wait, are you done hacking?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good. Wait, where's that at?
Oh, he's already in that place. If you look on his screen, he's at that place.
Where's that place?
Right there.
I can show
Right here?
you.
Mm-hmm.
It's exactly the opposite place. Oh, wait, never mind.
There he is.
Wait,
So
hold on,
he's
let me see
short,
if I can do that
short.
same thing you did.
Go press E.
I'm doing that.
Oh, so he's hacking.
And my phone is at 5%.
Oh, are you serious right now?
Yes, I'm
Go
serious.
get the other charger, because it could be charging too.
Wait a minute, why am I not hacking? Thank God I did it.
You're gonna let me do all the work.
Alright, follow me. I know where to go. If a song is stuck inside your head, just
Stuck in the
sing
wall.
this song instead. Alright, Alberto, come on. I know this map like the back of
I'm
my...
stuck in the wall. No, I'm not.
I know, I'm looking at your screen,
I
you...
just teleported.
Alright, come on. We're going to the middle of the map.
Which is down here.
Yeah, I knew that.
Can't get one.
Why?
Because we're not
Because
allowed
I'm
to
Ezzy's
go.
room.
You should have known snitch then. Alright, there's nothing up there.
Fact that he got caught.
Is Decky?
Where are you?
I left because there's no computers up there.
What the freak? You left me. Oh, I see you.
I found one.
I see you. I just can't.
There is no charger in there.
Is Ezzy asleep?
No, she's
Ezzy's
on
not
the
here. She's
Xbox.
downstairs playing the Xbox.
Oh.
And
So doesn't that mean Ezzy can join us?
No, you don't got Xbox Live, remember?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
and she
The beast
and
is close.
and
Don't
what's
fail,
this?
Shorty.
And what's just in the room is just all
Dookie is
trash.
close?
Yeah, he's close.
Oh.
I can hear her heart.
Decky disconnected or left.
It's not Mecky, it's Mecky.
I
Not
said Dookie, not Mecky, Charlie.
you said Mecky.
Alright, come on. Ah! Run!
Why did it take so long?
Bye-bye! Humberto, is he after you?
Most likely, yep.
You gonna open that one? Yeah.
You behind me?
No. I am on the other side.
I'm just trying to wait. Someone who's gonna come. I keep sleeping.
I'm coming over to your side, alright? I'm coming over to your side. Is he over by the door?
Hurry up, Shorty.
Is he over by the door?
Yup, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Run! Oh, run!
Bro, you hurt me. You laughing, you asshole.
Humberto! Now!
Oh my god, I win.
You're not dead? I'm leaving, Humberto.
Bro, he's not getting him.
Hurry up! Can't leave a friend.
You can go, I'm safe.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh no, I want to open that door. Did you just walk past me?
Shorty, has it been 20 minutes?
Yes, Charlie, shut up.
How do you know? How do you
I'm
know?
coming over to you, Shorty.
No, I want to go over there and open that door. Because I need the points or the credits. Is the beast over there?
Good luck opening that damn door.
Hurry up! You know what happened last time when
I'm gonna play with him. Come on.
are you sure? Are you sure that's... You better leave. You better leave.
Shorty got hit. Oh, never mind. Humberto got hit and then he made it. Humberto got hit and then he made it.
I'm 2 credits away from opening a
So
chest.
now can I play?
No. Wait, is your tablet charging?
No, my brother took it off.
Here, hold this for me, Shorty.
Alright.
I'm gonna go get you a charger.
Wait, first let me remove.
When some stuck inside your head. Oh, I just ripped off some of my hair. Jesus. Alright, this is the last game of the day. Wait a minute. Oh, what's up? Fuck this game. Fuck this shit, I'm out. I can't see. I'm blind.
Am I Beast?
I'm blind, I can't see.
What are you, Beast?
No.
Are you still on YouTube?
Yes. This is the last game of the day, Humberto, alright?
Shut up.
Was that you that failed?
No, I'm not even near a computer.
Where's the
I
charger
found one.
box? Where's the box?
Bro, you can literally see us in the locker.
Snow Walker.
Humberto.
Snow Walker.
You can literally see us in the locker. In the locker.
Really? Through the holes?
Mm-hmm.
Shorty, Humberto, where am I on the charger box?
This might be this one might have the most detailed computers.
I think it's in the living room.
Fuck this
And the
shit, I'm out. Oh, I almost failed that. I wasn't paying attention. I was daydreaming about donuts.
Hopefully the beast isn't a good beast.
It lagged! It lagged!
You failed too?
Did you see that lag spike? He's here! He or she, whatever.
Is that your computer?
I'm in a bookshelf. Alright? I'm in a bookshelf. Or not a bookshelf, a dresser.
Did you find one?
No.
Why don't you charge it on the side of
The side of what?
Umberto, how many computers are left?
2.
2? Alright.
Where's the computer? I told you not to go in my room. And they still go in my room.
Who went in your room?
You guys.
I didn't.
We were in your room.
Yes, you were. You guys were in my room.
You weren't playing in your room.
I said you were.
I was the one in your room to get the computer.
Yeah, I told you guys can't go on it. First thing. That's the first thing I told you.
Oh, no,
I'll
no.
give you 10 seconds. 10, 9,
I
8,
found the computer.
I might be dead. I might be dead.
6,
You got hit.
5,
Yes.
4,
I gotta leave because
3, 2,
as you found.
1, 0. I'll be on.
Get Ducky! Get Ducky!
It's
She changed her course to Ducky.
Well, we're stuck.
All we have is this tablet.
Tablet.
No charger box.
Nothing.
There's nothing in that asshole.
Sorry? Seriously, there was a little charger.
Oh my god, Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
Because he has a Fortnite.
No!
That's what we're eating tonight. It's Charlie and Shorty.
What?
Cereal.
Are you eating cereal tonight?
If I'm not eating anything else.
Why are you blaming me?
Cereal's good.
That's one bowl of cereal.
Are you playing Xbox too?
I am playing the Xbox, but you guys can't go downstairs.
Me too?
Yes.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
I don't. My mom doesn't care. She's telling me.
You're not playing
She
she's
just
in your room?
No. She just cut my hair.
Right.
Yes. So I'm so mad. It's not funny. If I smack you and you cry again. Like a baby.
Can I use your phone?
The phone's dead. It was downstairs.
Your mom's room.
Nope.
Can I use it? Since I think it's a laptop.
What is this doing?
You got a phone?
Just. Oh my gosh. How long is this gonna take? How long am I gonna be tortured? Oh my god. Why can't I wiggle?
Is Maddie still playing with Ducky?
Guys, something's back here.
What is it?
I don't know, but it's the other side.
I'm gonna rage quit. I'm gonna rage quit. Ducky! No, that was not Ducky, that was Mike. Stay right there so I don't die. Oh no, that was my Ducky then. Well, that's where I'm going to leave this video here, and,
My dad, it's like Charlie 1, 2, 3.
fuck this.
Oh yeah.